Welcome to our channel Bright Mass. Let us learn the circle and sphere problems in applications of derivatives. A stone is dropped into a pond causing ripples in the form of concentric circles. The radius r of the outer ripple is increasing at a constant rate at 2 cm per second. When the radius is 5 cm, find the rate of changing of the total area of the disturbed water. Stone is dropped here. Take this point as the stone. We get concentric circles like this. The radius is r. These are the concentric circles. Given the ripples in the form of concentric circles. So the point where we drop the stone is the center of the circle, and let us take the radius as r. So let r be the radius of the ripple. Here given dr by dt equal to 2. See the word, the radius is increasing at 2 cm per second. We have the word rate, that is rate of change. So take it as dr by dt equal to 2. And the next line, when the radius is 5 cm, that is r equal to 5. We have to find the rate of change of area. That means dA by dt. So now write the area formula. This is a circle. So we know that the area of circle is A equal to pi r square. We have to find dA by dt. So just differentiate this and substitute the given values. Differentiating this with respect to t. So dA by dt equal to pi is constant. We have to differentiate r square. R square differentiation is 2r into again differentiate r, that is dr by dt. We are differentiating with respect to t. So r is another variable, that is why we write into dr by dt. Now substitute the given values. This is equal to pi into 2 into r value is 5 into dr by dt is 2. Multiply and write the answer. 2 into 5 10, 10 into 2 20. So the answer is 20 pi. Finally take and write the answer. The rate of change of area is 20 pi centimeter square per second. Remember, area is a square units. So we have to write centimeter square. Given unit is centimeter per second. Here this is area, so we have to write square units. So write centimeter square per second. Next problem. If we blow air into a balloon of spherical shape at a rate of 1000 centimeter cube per second, at what rate the radius of the balloon changes when the radius is 7 centimeter? Also compute the rate at which the surface area changes. So there is a balloon in the shape of sphere and the radius of the sphere is r. Let us write the given information. Given dV by dt equal to 1000. See the first line. The spherical shape at a rate 1000 centimeter cube per second. So see the unit centimeter cube. That means its volume. Rate means rate of change. So we have to take dV by dt equal to 1000. And next line, when the radius is 7 centimeter, so take r equal to 7. Here there are two questions. First we have to find the rate of change of radius. Next we have to find the rate of change of surface area. So first let us find the rate of change of radius. Here in the given we have dV by dt, that is volume. So we have to write volume formula. We know that the volume of sphere is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 pi is a constant. We have to differentiate r cube only. So differentiating this with respect to t, that is dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi is constant into we have to differentiate r cube, that is 3r square into dr by dt. We are differentiating with respect to t. So this r we have to write into dr by dt. Now substitute all the given values. Left side for this dV by dt we can substitute 1000 equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into r square. R value is 7. R square means 7 into 7 into dr by dt. Now simplify and find the value of dr by dt. Here we can cancel 3 and 3. Next we can cancel this 4 and 1000. 250 times. And just cross multiply. This 7 into 7, 49 pi. So this 49 pi cross multiply another side, we get 250 divided by 49 pi. So this is the answer for dr by dt. Finally write the answer. The rate of change of radius is 250 divided by 49 pi centimeter per second. So the given unit is centimeter per second. Remember, for volume only we have to write cubic units, and for area we have to write square units. Next question, we have to find the rate of change of surface area. For that we have to write the surface area formula. So the surface area of sphere is S is equal to 4 pi r square. Now differentiating this with respect to t, that is ds by dt equal to right side 4 pi is constant. So keep it as it is into differentiate r square. R square differentiation is 2r into again we have to differentiate r, that is dr by dt. We are differentiating with respect to t, that is another variable. That is why we write into dr by dt. Now substitute the given values. 4 pi into 2 into r value is 7 into dr by dt, just now we have got it, that is 250 divided by 49 pi. Just to simplify and get the answer. Here we can cancel pi and pi. Next cancel 7 and 49, that is 7 times. And that's all. Just to multiply the numerator numbers. Here 250 into 2 is 500. 500 into 4, that is 2000. Divided by, in denominator we have the number 7. So 2000 by 7 is the answer. Finally write the unit also. So therefore the rate of change of surface area is 2000 divided by 7 centimeter square per second. Note that it is the area, so we have to write square units. Thanks for watching.